Today is day 7 of homeschooling. Here's our plan. I do film these before I post them. So for me, today is Wednesday. Wednesdays, we do science and a big art project. I mentioned this before, we do smaller art things every single day, whether it's coloring, painting, Play-Doh, something creative. My kids definitely prefer creative freedom to draw or do whatever they want, can follow instructions, but when it comes to art, they just want to do what they want to do. So I've only planned for one big art activity a week, and then we just do other things throughout the week. I haven't gotten any of it ready to go yet. Today it requires paint, so I'm not getting any of it out, and it's going to be pretty simple. But I wanted to do apple stamping because it's fall, doing apples. I'm a little worried that my kids are going to be upset that I'm cutting up an apple to use for an art project instead of eating it, because they've been super into apples lately. We're going to get some paper, some apples, cut the apples up, use them as little stamps with different fall colors, and it'll be a fun time. And I'll probably just cut up some of it so that they can have a snack too. For science, I am using the Good and the Beautiful. Also, I have a 3-year-old and a 4.5-year-old, and they will both do both of these things today. I decided to go for the Little Hearts and Hands Science with the Good and the Beautiful, and we have the Sparks and Stars. I actually purchased this last year. They weren't quite ready for it. This year, our attention span is much better, and just like grasping concepts is better, so I am not worried about this at all. Today our first lesson is states of matter. Basically, I'm going to boil some water on the stove and then hold a cup over it, look at condensation, do all of the things. It's very simple. The book literally spells out for you exactly what you need to do, what you need to say, how you need to teach it. That's what I love about the Good and the Beautiful, because science is not my strong suit. I know the states of matter, but I would not have been able to think of like a great way to teach them. Also, I know that we put stuff in ice cube trays too. There are discussion questions at the end. After you do the activity, there's discussions to kind of talk about what you learned, what do you remember, different things like that. There's also an optional activity to like a real life, how are states of matter in our everyday, and it's making a root beer float. I have sugar-free cream soda, so we're going to make a cream soda float. Same thing, they're not going to know the difference. So we'll take ice cream, which is our solid, pour in the soda, which is our liquid, and it will bubble, which is our gas. You know what? Maybe they won't be so upset about the apples when they know that they get a cream soda float. That's everything though for day 7 lesson plan of our homeschool.